Do you have a kid, or for yourself, or do you know anyone who has serious food sensitivity gut issues? This is a food sensitivity, a vitamin and gut health test. All you have to do is cut some hair from your head or anywhere on your body, put it in this prepaid envelope, and put a stick on it and send it off. Let's do it together. Your results are delivered within 72 hours of them receiving your sample. So you put your hair in there, and then you're gonna write all your information here, and then you're gonna write your tracking number here whenever you take it to the post office. This is for you to keep. There's some here. To get started, all you have to do is scan this little QR code into your phone and follow the prompts. It is very easy. My child has a lot of health sensitivity issues. I'm excited to see what we get back. This is a more affordable option for us. Let's put her first and last name and the redemption code, which is gonna be the number that's on this sticker right here. You're gonna take your prepaid label. That goes on there like so. And then come with me to take it to the post office.